Recording.
Alright, I don't typically record the old section of Foothills. However, this video is me ranting about flock cameras, surveillance. And it doesn't matter if you're a dumbass Democrat or Republican or an independent like I am. We all should be a little bit upset about all the surveillance that's going on in our country right now. And if you're a taxpayer, you're the one paying it. You're paying to be surveilled. They're already tracking us in our cars or with our cars, with our cell phones, flock cameras everywhere. We're on the Foothills Parkway. They put surveillance cameras on the Foothills Parkway on 441 between Cherokee and Gatlinburg. And it's like, why? Why does our government want to take away our Fourth Amendment rights so badly? That I can't tell you. But we've already gone past, I think, two surveillance cameras that were attached to road signs on the Foothills, and I believe there's 3 more ahead of us. And to me, for us as Americans to give up that much freedom, it just doesn't make sense. We should hold the U.S. Constitution closer to our heart, and anytime that we see our government trying to figure out new ways to take away our rights, we should be fighting it at all costs. The flock camera deal, it's huge. That needs to go away. And it's not ever going to go away, right? Because the government's already figured out they can make money off that. They just have to turn it on and just start arresting people. Because you and I know it's not the criminals that they're going after. It's going to be us. Those of us with jobs, those of us with money. If it's one thing that history's taught us from the early days of the highwaymen, crime doesn't pay. Crime doesn't pay. Honest people who have the money, they're the ones that pay. We pay the bills in taxes. We pay the bills in fines. When we do something wrong, we're the ones that pay the fines. A criminal's not going to pay any money. Where's a criminal going to get money? Why do you think he's a criminal? Because he doesn't know how to get a job. But yeah, somehow, in some way, they're going to turn all this surveillance against us. And it's going to bring in just gobs and gobs of money for government and whoever owns those cameras. And as a taxpayer, you should, I don't know what we should do, or what we could do, because clearly our local governments don't listen to us as citizens. And if you're in a Democrat community, you know they're not listening to you. Because they're going to tell you that they're using the cameras to fight crime. Where crime's not even present, they're going to tell you that they're using it to fight crime, to capture criminals. When you see your friends and neighbors getting arrested or detained for things that they haven't done. about that. Think about that. Good times. Oh, did I mention it's Miata weekend? It's Miata weekend in the mountains. So listen up, dudes. If you and your boyfriend have a Miata, this is the weekend to come up here and run through the mountains holding hands. There's nothing sexier than two dudes in a Miata. Turning out to be a beautiful day today now that the clouds have lifted and fog's gone away. There's another Miata. It's 20 after 10 and I've probably already seen 100 Miatas this morning and I haven't even come near Neil's Gap yet. I'm getting close. PFR after 60,000 mile service is running amazing. I wish y'all were here enjoying this with me. I miss y'all. Alright, hopefully I haven't burned up 9 minutes of video yet. But just on the other side of this 25 mile an hour speed limit area is going to be another one of these surveillance cameras. I wanted to make sure you guys get to see what one looks like. This is the Lookout Look Rock. It's like a little hiking trail. Miata with two dudes in it. I'm not saying that Miatas are gay.